Welcome back, Ginger Family.
We're here
reviewing
Shnooks. We just got a package.
We just got a package.
It is from ZURU.
Yeah.
So what the Shnooks do is, what you can do. They're not alive. They don't do that. So what you're supposed to do, since this isn't opened yet, you open it apparently. Well, I'm guessing out of the packaging. You shake it, and then you style it. So the description is, welcome to Schnook Brook, home with the magical Shnooks. Pop the bubbles, shake them, and bring your new best friend to life. Shnooks magically grow 8 times in size. Style the hair and love them, and they'll Schnook after you. And apparently, collect them all, and there's 4 secret hairbands hiding inside. So the one I have is Shay, and apparently it gives you courage and might.
And mine is Smiley, and she brings happiness you can't hide.
That's scary. You can't hide.
They take a while to fully open.
ZURU sent us ones that are already fully open.
Ta-da! Onions. Onion, Steven Universe.
Onion.
And mine's just a crazy hot mess.
The name of this fully grown Schnook is Shazam. And Shazam goes on adventures with you.
And I have Snuggles. She gives cuddles so true. So I'm going to put mine in a clip, and he's going to do his in a hairband.
And I'm going to I'm not going to do mine in a hairband. I'm going to comb the hair and style it. Okay. I'm going to do this. Make sure you don't fail, Carissa.
And I'll let you down. I'm not going to let you down. Hey, not coming up today.
Listen here.
And nothing getting my way. And if you knock me over, I will get back up again.
No.
Get back up again.
You did.
So I had some help from Mommy. I used a clip and I pulled all the hair together. I spun it around, and then I held it right here, and I put the clip in.
I'm trying to get the hairstyle that it shows on the packaging. So the hairstyle is really simple. Well, it should be for me.
It should be.
It's really simple because I've seen it.
Doesn't look simple, Walter.
You can get to the part with the speaking.
And I've got Smiley. So, in the box, it said there were 4 hidden hairbands inside the hairs. But since this one was our ones were already opened, they weren't in the hair. So, here's a hint. If you guys get the Shnooks, don't use the hairbands. Just be careful, because they're not like regular hairbands. They're different. They're like rubber bands, but they don't stretch. So don't do that. Don't stretch them out. Because if you do, they're going to snap, and that hurts your fingers. All us girls know that.
Touché.
But there's some boys out there who do have long hair. So, but here are the ones I got. I got an S from the Shnooks. I got the S. I got a heart and a star. And then I've gotten a cloud just like on there. So, because yesterday when we opened the package first, I tried the rubber band, and the hair was stuck on the heart. Which one was it? The star?
It was the heart.
It was a heart. Yeah.
Okay. So I finally finished styling the hair. I'm really addicted to styling the hair. Because then you can do it in many different ways. You can spike it. Maybe I could take some of my hair gel, which, yes, I have hair gel. And I could put it in the thing. And I could
then
style it and give it like a mohawk.
Or maybe instead of hair gel, we can use some water. So then we wouldn't mess up the hair.
that'll
But
work.
then it might mess up the
The water, and then
texture.
when the water gets dry, it sticks that way, and then we can pour water on it and make it normal again.
But then if we put water on it, it's going to get into the stuffing, and we're going to have to dry it. So we're going to rate the toys 1 to 10.
And I'm going to rate mine first. So I'd give it like about like a 9. Well, a 9 3/4, because I like the idea. Give it like kind of a Furby and a troll look, and kind of took some anime and tossed it in the face too. That wasn't a bad idea. Make it look cute, to make like a lot of girls want it, and maybe collect more of them so that you can have more, so you can like do the things that it says on the packaging with it, and then you can look and style them with the hairs that they have on the packaging.
I give mine an 8 because the hairbands don't work. So I give mine an 8 yesterday because the hairbands and how my hair got stuck in it. But I might change it. I give it a 9 now. I give it a 9 because it's one thing, it's not 2, so a 9.5. Now that we have 4, we have 2 more to collect, which are Shine and Sweetly. Yeah, I definitely get this. I definitely get it, yeah. It looks good, but it looks flat when you get it. It looks flat. Like,
Well, it is, Carissa.
it does look flat.
Go.
Thank you for watching this toy review.
And thank you to ZURU for sending us this toy product to review.
So I named mine Tattletale and Mama because
And I named this Barbara.
and what about your other one?
I named this one Barbara. It's not Barbara. It's not
Barbara.
like saying someone's name like Barbara. It's Barbara.
Bobo.
Barbara.
Bobo.
Try and say that 3 times fast.
Barbara,
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 Barbara.
Barbara.
I haven't thought of a name for this. Wait. No, yes, I did think of a name for this one. Bobber. This one's Barbara and this is Bobber.
Bobo.
Thanks
Thanks
for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
Tattletale. We love you.
Bobber.